Ziva is in seventh heaven. She just all stretched out over Hunter's legs. She says, oh, that feels good. She says, we've had all this rain and it's bath time. She'll be nice and white after a bath. She's like, oh, that feels so good. I can't believe she's laying out over your leg like that. She says, I'm so comfortable. She's got one paw on your other leg and one paw in the middle.
Both are stretched on the back.
And a little boar's hair brush. My favorite. And it looks like her favorite too. She's like, oh, that feels so good.
You have to brush, pat, brush, pat, brush, pat, repeat.
Brush, pat. Okay, so this is 101 on how you brush a dog. Brush, pat. I never thought about that, Hunter. And she is just so comfortable. This is just so funny.
Like instead of you just doing that, which kind of gets on the nerves, you love on him in between each stroke.
There you go. Yeah. That way they don't.
That way they don't move.
Well, no, that way they like it. It's not more of brushing. It's sort of it's love. It's a combination of brushing and loving.
It's kind of like
do it. Brush her under her neck. Watch under her neck. Watch her. Don't lift her head and let's see what she does. She says, and now take it slow. There you go. There you go. She says, oh, that looks nice. Oh, that feels good. She's a fat little girl.
She's like
8 months old today.
She's nice. She's like
she's solid.
She's like, I'm not fat. I'm pleasingly plump.
She's definitely pleasingly plump. I can't feel her ribs. She's like, she likes that. Some people have a hard time. Their dogs won't let them brush. Yeah, her sure's giving her you kisses. Some people have a hard time getting their dogs to let them brush. I think she's trying to get her back legs over, Hunter.
This one's stretched out like there's no tomorrow.
Looks like this one's trying to go up. She's trying to reach up. Yeah, she's trying to get her back legs up. Help her get her back legs up. She says, no. No. Miracle's like, is it my turn? Is it my turn?
Miracle, would you like to go? Would you like to go? All right, let's see how you do.
Brush, pat. This is how you teach your dogs, teach your papillons to like to learn to have their hair brushed.
Like he's just looking at me like, oh man, this feels so good. He's like, oh man, he's like, I think I could fall asleep doing this.
I think we've decided that we're going to teach Hunter how to show in confirmation.
And I can also help Nana doing the brushing too, as obvious.
Yeah.
Like, watch this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this guy. And plus, when you pat in between, it actually helps get rid of the some of the hair that you hooked up. Helps get rid of it.
He likes it. Stretch his tail out, though. I think he's got his tail curled out up underneath. There we go.
It's like a wolf tail. A wolf petting a dog.
Okay, everybody have a great day.
Yep. This guy's obviously having a good day. More than a good day, man. He's like, yeah, like, are you?